Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Be sure to pick up the free resources in the description below. Let's dive in. Have you ever walked away from a real estate deal wondering if you left thousands on the table? What if I told you the difference between amateur and professional negotiators is knowing 3 psychological triggers most people ignore? By the end of this video, you'll have the framework million-dollar investors use to close deals, even if you've never negotiated before. Last month, a beginner used these techniques to negotiate $40,000 off a property price in less than 20 minutes. The seller actually thanked him. Most people think real estate negotiation is about being aggressive, but that's wrong. Real estate negotiation is a sophisticated dance of psychology, timing, and strategy. These skills are completely learnable, regardless of your background or experience. Whether buying your first home or investing, these principles will revolutionize how you approach every deal. Professional negotiators understand that every real estate transaction has 3 hidden layers. The first layer is what everyone sees, the listing price and property details. The second layer is what most people miss, the seller's true motivation, market position, and timeline pressures. The third layer is where the magic happens, discovering emotional drivers, unspoken needs, and leverage points. Your first professional secret is the power of strategic silence. Beginners often respond immediately to a price. This is a massive mistake. The first person to speak after a price is mentioned loses negotiating power. Instead, use the pause and process technique. Count to at least 5 seconds before responding. During this silence, the seller starts second-guessing themselves, often justifying or reducing their position before you speak. This simple technique has helped my students save an average of 8% on purchase prices. But silence alone isn't enough. You need to understand the second professional secret, emotional anchoring. Every seller has an emotional anchor point, the price they've mentally committed to accepting, which isn't always the listing price. Your job is to discover and influence this anchor point by asking strategic questions that reveal the seller's flexibility. Ask questions like, what would need to happen for you to consider a different price range? These questions give you valuable information and subtly make them more open to negotiation. Professional negotiators also use the constraint revelation technique by explaining constraints that make the current price challenging. For example, I love this property, but based on my financing and comparable sales, I'm working within a specific range. This approach presents your position as a reality both parties need to work within, rather than attacking the seller's price. Now, let's discuss the third professional secret, leveraging market intelligence. Professional negotiators never enter a negotiation without understanding the property's complete market context, including comps and market trends. They strategically reveal this information during negotiations to support their position. They might say, this property has been on the market for 60 days, above the local average. Are there specific challenges? This demonstrates market knowledge and invites the seller to address concerns. Professionals also understand the power of multiple options. Instead of a single offer, they present scenarios like, I can offer this amount with a 30-day closing or slightly higher with a 60-day timeline and appliances. This gives the seller control while keeping you in charge. Professionals help sellers feel good about accepting lower offers. They do this through value stacking, highlighting all the benefits they bring as a buyer. This includes being pre-approved, closing quickly, not needing financing contingencies, or buying as is. The key is to present yourself as the ideal buyer, not just the highest bidder. Sellers often accept lower offers from reliable buyers. This is powerful in competitive markets. Timing is crucial, as many beginners lose deals here. Professional negotiators understand timing is about aligning your strategy with the seller's timeline. A seller needing to close quickly values a fast transaction, while one not in a hurry might wait for their ideal price. An advanced technique is the mutual benefit reframe, framing negotiation as working together for a solution. You might say, let's figure out a way to make this work for both of us. What's most important to you beyond the price? This transforms the dynamic from adversaries to collaborators, leading to creative solutions and better outcomes. Professional negotiators also know when to walk away, communicating effectively without burning bridges. They might say, unfortunately, we're still apart on the numbers. and I need to respect my budget. If anything changes, please reach out. This leaves the door open for future negotiations, demonstrating your seriousness. Many dead deals revive when sellers realize they let a good buyer slip away. Becoming a skilled negotiator is about understanding human psychology, communicating effectively, and finding solutions for everyone. These techniques will help you approach real estate negotiations with confidence and professionalism. Start practicing these skills on your next deal. Remember strategic silence, emotional anchoring, and market intelligence leverage. Use constraint revelation, present multiple options, and position yourself as the ideal buyer. Real estate negotiation is a skill that will serve you throughout your career. The money saved could pay for years of education or investment. Take action, practice these techniques, and watch your negotiation results transform. If you have questions, email us. We're here to help. If you found this valuable, subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help your real estate investment journey.